Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression without using the calculator. If we have 4 to the power of 14 minus 4 to the power of 12, we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. And I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to focus in the basis of this term, and we can write these terms as in this form. So here we first break the exponents of this term. So we write it as 4 to the power of, this is 14, we write it as 12 plus 2 minus, this is 4 to the power of 12, we can write it here. And now again we can apply the exponent law, and we break these exponents, and it will be written as 4 to the power of 12 multiplied by 4 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 12. And now here in the next step we need to take common 4 to the power of 12, and we get here 4 square minus 1. And now in the next step you see here 4 square is equals to 16, so we write it here 16 minus 1. And now further in the next step you see here 16 minus 1 becomes 15, and we again break this 4 to the power of 12 as in this form, 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 plus 4, and 16 minus 1 is equals to 15. And now again we can apply here the exponent law, and we again break these exponents, and it will be written as 4 to the power of 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 multiplied by 15. And here you very well know about that 4 to the power of 4 is equals to 256. You can easily get 4 to the power of 4 in your mind directly. Okay, 4 to the power of 4 becomes 256, so we can put these values here. So it will becomes 256 multiplied by 256 multiplied by 15. So here we need to make the pair of the terms, and we can easily multiply that pairs of numbers. So first we multiply these two values, and you see here 256 multiplied by 256 is equals to, first we can write 256, and here we break this value, and it will be written as 200 plus 50 plus 6. And here we multiply 256 with, this is 15, and we write it as 10 plus 5. And now here in the next step we need to multiply 256 with each of these values, and you see here these are the very bigger multiplication, but calculator is also not allowed in this problem. And you see here I can give you a smart technique in which you can easily multiply these type of bigger numbers. Okay, so here first we need to multiply 256 with each of these values, and it will be written as 256 multiplied by 200 plus 256 multiplied by 50 and 256 multiplied by 6. So from here we multiply 256 with these two values, and you see here 256 multiplied by 10 equals to 2560. And when we multiply 256 with this 5, you see here 5 6 are 30, we write 0 and carry 3, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 3 becomes 28, we write 8 and carry 2, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 becomes 12, so it will be written as 1280. And now in the next step we need to multiply 256 with this value, and you see here when you multiply this number with here, first we can just copy down these two zeros here, so we can write these two zeros, and we just multiply this number with 2 only. So you see here 2 6 are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, we write 1 and carry 1, 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. You get here 51,200 only. And in the same pattern we multiply 256 with this number, here we copy down this 1 0 here, and we multiply just 5 with this number. So you see here 5 6 are 30, we write 0 and carry 3, 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 3 becomes 28, we write 8 and carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 becomes here 12. And plus in the same pattern we multiply 256 with this 6 only, and you see here 6 6 are 36, we write 6 and carry 3, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 becomes 33, we write 3 and carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 becomes here 15 only, And here we need to sum up these two values, and you see here 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 6 plus 8 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 1 becomes here 3 only. And now here in the next step, first we need to sum up these values, and you see here 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes here 6, and 0 plus 0 plus 3 becomes here 3. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 becomes here 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we can multiply this value with this number. So here we again break this value as, first we can write here 3000 plus 800 and plus 40 only. And now here in the next step, we need to multiply this number with these three values, and it will be written as 65536, and it is multiplied by 3000, plus again we multiply 6536 with the 800, and at the last we multiply 65536 with 40. Okay, so now here in the next step, you see here, we will multiply first these values, and here you see that these are three zeros. We can first copy down these three zeros here, and we multiply 3 with these values, and you see here 3 6 are 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 becomes here 19. And plus in the same pattern we multiply these two values, and here we can copy down these two zeros here, and we multiply 8 with this number. You see here 8 6 are 48. We write 8 and carry 4. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 becomes 28. We write 8 and carry 2, and 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 becomes 42. We write 2 and carry 4. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 becomes 44. We write 4 and carry 4. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4 becomes here 52. And likewise in the same pattern we multiply this number with 40, and you see here this is 10, so we can write 10 here, and we multiply 4 with this number. You see here 4 6 are 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. We write 1 and carry 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 becomes 22. We write 2 and carry 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 becomes 26. And now here in the final step we need to sum up all of these values, and you see here this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes here 0, and this 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. This 0 plus 8 plus 4 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. Here you see that this is this 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And in the next step we have this is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So this 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.